Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning unit 14. Its title is Girls and Boys. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn about ordinal numbers. Before this, I have taught you about numbers, how to write numbers in words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn about recognize the numbers as first, second, and third, etc. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Mujadila, verse 7. There is in no private conversation three, but that he is the fourth of them. Nor are there five, but that he is the sixth of them. And no less than that, and no more expect except that he is with them in knowledge wherever they are. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Because this verse is telling us wherever you are, wherever you're talking in groups, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is there with you. If you are three, the fourth is Allah with you. If you are five, the sixth is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with you. So beta, that's why whenever we talk in groups, we should always talk good things because Allah is listening and Allah is mentioning. Allah is all with knowledge with us. So beta, we should be afraid of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and we should be careful about our talk. Whatever we talk, it should be good and nice, and be careful, Allah is listening. That's why we should not talk about bad stuff, right? So my dear children, look at these words, fourth, sixth. What does it mean? So let's learn about it. First, you tell me what is an ordinal number and what do ordinal numbers tell. Whatever you know about this concept, pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children. Beta, this ordinal number, this term is from odd. So ordinal number is a number that tells us the position of something in a series. What does it mean? We have arranged things. So what is the position of one thing? The way we tell us it's first or it's second or it's third. These words tells us the position. That's why they are called ordinal number, which tells us the order of the things where which is placed, where which someone reached or something like. So the word which tell us the position of something is ordinal number. And how do we identify it? This is the way. Look at this video. This came first, second, and which is on number 3, that will be called third. The thing which is on first place, like which came on one number, that is called first, then second, then third, then fourth, fifth. This is how it goes on, right? Now let's watch another video. Look at this. This is a race. So it's first, second, third. Again, let's watch another video. 3 children are running. One reached first, second, and third. This is how we find the position. First, second, third, fourth. So which number they are reaching to, that is their position, and that is called ordinal number. Right? So this is just 3 children. They can be more than 3. So we'll keep. Look at this. There are many cards. So what is this? Is when we look at this, this is you see now at this place it's first, second, third, and then they keep on increasing. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is what you find whenever you play and you have a race. So it is now at this position. It's first, it's second, it's maybe it's third, it's fourth, it's fifth, and there are behind is fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This is how it goes on. But at one place, which is on number 1, that is called first, which is on number 2, that is called second, which is on number 3, it is called third, fourth, fifth. Do you understand? This is called ordinal number, which is telling us position of something, right? Okay, there is another, this is the last one. Look at this. There is a race among children. Now you see there are many who are riding on their bicycles. She is leading. She is first, and then second and third, right? This is how we find the position, and the word we use to tell the position is ordinal number. Because she is on number 1, she is first, second and third. Are you clear with the concept? Good job. So how do we do it in writing? For number 1, we write it first in numbers, and this is written in words like this: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. So today we'll just learn till 10th position. So teachers, kindly pause the video over here. Ask the students to drill these numbers, these ordinal numbers. Maybe they are learning it for the first time. So after a drill, please come back. Yes, my dear children, are you familiar with these ordinal numbers now? Good job. So here is an activity in your book. Look at this. Ordinal numbers. Maybe I have given it. Numbers that tell the position of objects are called ordinal numbers. This boy is on rank 1, that's why first. She is second, and he is third, right? Now, after understanding this concept, let's practice it through an activity. Your teacher will divide class in 4 groups and will ask students to stand according to their heights. Okay, so you will find out who will come at first position in your according to your height, and then teacher will mix this student and will again ask them to stand according to their heights. Let's see who comes first, who is on second. This is how you will practice this concept. So pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children. Now, do you understand what the position ordinal numbers are? Good job. Now, all of you settle down, go back to your seats, because we are going to practice it. There can be different activities, teacher. I have given clues. So you may, if you think your students need more practice, it is an other activity. What you are going to do, you will cut 3 different colors, shapes. For example, 3 squares, 3 triangles, 3 circles, etc. And you will divide class in groups of 3. Now, teacher will call students in group and will ask them to place shapes. For example, place red square at first, blue square second, yellow square third. Even this is how they will arrange it. Okay, if you want to increase the difficulty level, you can mix up the shapes. It is up to you according to students' understanding. But make sure our focus is to make them understand the positions first, second, third, right? So pause the video, enjoy this activity, and come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job, you are smart. Now it's time to practice from your book. Look at this picture in your book. Here are the instructions you are going to follow, and you are going to complete this activity in your book. Pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will write ordinal numbers in words. 1st to 10th. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. Rather, there are 2 worksheets. These worksheets, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do in worksheet 1, you have to first tell the ordinal numbers for these objects and then complete these sentences for their ordinal positions. And here you will match the fish for its position. Like if it is first, match it with first, for second, match it with second, and so on, right? So in this way, what we have learned today, we learned ordinal number is a number that tells us the position of something in a series, such as first, second, or third, and so on. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to recognize the numbers as first, second, and third, etc. Are you clear with the concept? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.